hindi maglawlaw yung dito.
Ay, sorry. Lapit niya dito eh. Katamo ko na ano.
Gusto talaga ni Christina mag-practice sa labas. Ako din. Kaya lagi kami nakikita sa labas eh.
Paki-hello na lang ako kay Chris ha. Sabihin mo hi. Galing sa
Fancy
Kayapa.
things will never come in between.
You're part of my
The first time ever I
Here for infinity, when the world
I saw
has
the
took its
sun rose in your eyes.
when the world has
moon
set
and
its
stars.
stars, if the hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sunshine will shine together, told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a note, I must get out here at the end. Let's really more than ever know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella.
Parang gusto kong magganito sa ano.
Wala, hindi niyo sinuli yan.
Kay po ito eh.
Hindi. Ako nagsoli niya ng ano. Yun yung sinuot ko nung kick-off natin.
Ah, okay. Sorry. Sorry.
Bad.
Natatakot siya. It's so unfair.
Why?
Because you're not scared when Christina kisses you.
No, I am.
No. You are?
Mhm.
Why do you allow it to happen?
The first time ever I saw your face.
Intrigadera?
Di ba?
Bro, wala talagang kiliti. San kiliti mo? Ako lang kikiliti sa'yo. Alam ko na. Naku, alam ko talaga.
Where?
Where?
How?
Wala kang kiliti.
Wala.
Di ba? Pag ako, ayaw niya. Pero pag si Chris, gusto.
Lahat sa nagpaparinig si Apple.
Oo.
Hindi, intrigera lang talaga ako.
Exactly. Intragera.
Would feel.
Kasi ang arte-arte
Ang cute to. Ang galing ko. Ay.
Wala na. Sorry.
And last.
Gusto ko parang MTV nakaganito na.
First time ever I lay with you. I thought so hard.
The first time. Ano ba yung ano yun? Hindi ko pala nababasa yung kwento niya. Hindi ko minamayan yung lyrics. Basta ka nabasado ko lang siya. Hindi ko binasa.
Ganda na. The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes. Naiyak ako kagabi. In-internalize ko. Naalala ko, first time na nakita ko yung ano ko. I was in class. I was writing. Pag ganun ko, siya talaga kasi nakatingin pala siya sa akin. Tapos sabi niya,
Gising.
diba?
Kaya mo ba ng hairpin kung ano?
Ay, good luck. Hindi ako marunong mag-clip-clip ng ganyan eh. Si Apple mahilig mag-clip. Try mo.
Lang, para maano siya.
Mahina ako sa clipan. Di ba na nagpapaklip ka sa akin? Si Apple, hindi ko talaga nagawa. First time ever I saw your face. Thought the sun rose in your eyes. Nasaan na? And the stars. And the moon and stars.
Bakit ba hairpin ang ginagamit natin? Hala. Teka, tama na yan or maluwag pa? Maluwag pa?
Sige po.
Kala ko ba gumawa ka ng tali? My love. Saktong pasako. I felt so
Tas yan, the first time ever I kissed your lips, I felt the earth move in my head, like the trembling heart of a captive bird.
Parang alam mo na ano ko dyan, nare-recall ko sa kanta na yun, namatay yung boyfriend. Trembling heart of a captive bird. There was there at my command, my love.
Masaya siya na sad.
Ay, tapos na. Akala ko si Miguel.
Si Vanya. Felt your heart so close to mine.
I felt my heart yung last na.
I'll be.
Yung sa, first time ever I love with you.
I felt your heart so close to mine, and I knew a joy would fill the earth, and last to the end of time.
Ang ganda talaga. I love it. Wala, nasira na. Pinutol ko kasi ito yun nakaraan.
Yung sides, why?
Kagabi. May ginupit ako, yung pala na tahi ko siya sa dulo, so nagupit. Mag-ano lang ako, magmumuni-muni lang ako ng lyrics. Ay, ano na ako busy. Kala ko dun. Ito na lang.
May ganun eh.
Ang kalat ah. Ang kalat.
Sorry.
Basta. Aray ko, ang sakit.
Nanginginig pa rin yung ano ko.
Ako hindi na, masakit lang.
Nanginginig yung binti ko.
Gonna let the rain fall. I'll be all you need more.
Empty sky.
Because you and shine, shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be a friend. Looking out, I'm sticking out your way. Now that it's raining more than ever, I know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. Stand under my umbrella. Ella, hey, under my umbrella.
I felt the earth move in my head. Love